Cute, man. It's the friendliest penguin ever. Come, come, come. Come, come. Come. Cute.
Are you dancing for us now? Are you dancing for us?
Hello. Yeah, he's on it. She's definitely calmed down, warmed up. She was so cold when she jumped into the boat.
I don't know, but she absolutely adores you.
Excuse me.
Oh. So happy. Such a beautiful reminder to everyone needs love. Everyone needs rest. Everyone needs warmth.
Put it in the box.
Yeah. Didn't bite you at all?
No.
Yeah, you're lucky.
She's absolutely in love. So in love.
Good to meet you.
Oh, good to meet you. Oh, there we go.
Hi, little baby.
Like, is she just floating on the water?
Yeah, she came over to the kayak and just kept insisting on trying to get into the kayak. And
Hi, baby.
Oh, we got undernourished to the...
when she did, she was so cold.
Yeah, undernourished.
Yeah, so they'll feed her up and make sure she's alright.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Okay. All right.
Bye.
Thanks.